In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quotes to a company using HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot or looking to streamline your CRM processes, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge you need to efficiently manage quotes within your company's HubSpot dashboard. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the user guide section of HubSpot. Open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot portal. It's important to have your credentials ready so you can log into your account without any hassle. Once you've accessed the main dashboard, you're ready to go to the next step. From the home screen of your HubSpot account, locate and click on the CRM section. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management tool, is where you'll manage contacts, deals, and, importantly, company quotes. This hub is essentially the heart of your sales and customer management operations, allowing you to keep all customer information organized and accessible. Once you've clicked CRM, look for the tab labeled Companies and click on it. This section is dedicated to all the business entities you have stored within HubSpot. Here you can view, edit, and enter new company information. It's vital to ensure that your company's details are accurate and up to date, as this lays the foundation for all your future interactions and transactions. Now, with the Companies section open, your next move is to click on HubSpot. This area offers you specific tools and options tailored to your account preferences and company needs. It's a great way to ensure seamless integration and access to all the different modules HubSpot provides, including managing quotes effectively. Once you're in the right spot within HubSpot, you'll find an option to Add. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. By selecting Add, you'll be able to input new data, specifically quotes, into your company's profile. The Add feature is straightforward, but make sure to enter all required information carefully to avoid any confusion or errors down the line. Be precise with the details like quote value, customer details, and any notes relevant to the quote. That covers all the steps you need to add quotes to a company in HubSpot. With this process, you not only keep your company's financial dealings organized, but also ensure that you have quick access to all necessary information whenever required. Remember, accurate data input can significantly enhance the efficiency of your operations, so take a moment to review the information after entering. Thank you for following along with this guide. With practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll be navigating HubSpot's features like a pro. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and feel free to drop any questions or comments below. Happy organizing, and see you in the next guide.